Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to use undo tools. Okay, for example, I will create new file and then click create. Now in here we draw a circle and also I will create for the rectangle. You can change this rectangle color into yellow. And now if you want to undo the last action, you can click this tool history and you can see we have this some steps, like this is for the ellipse tools, create ellipse, and then this is create rectangle, and this is to change the color. So you can undo by using these history tools. If you want to edit, like I will click in the rectangle tools. Now here I will set the color, like change into design color. Now the set fill will be automatically changed into the last action. So you can change ellipse, and I will create again like into this polygon tools. So to be show the polygon step in this history. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to use undo tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.